Okay guys, welcome to my brand new tutorial guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how you make massive money on WhatsApp with only your smartphone. And guys, there's one thing I want you to know, and there's one thing I want to tell you: do not use your main WhatsApp number on this. Just go outside and bought a new SIM card, use it and link it, guys, and start making money massively. As you are seeing, this one they are paying. Yes, these ones are paying. Like, it's not something of go come. Like, I mostly love this one. Like say tomorrow no day, because I know how much I've made on this platform, and I know if you take it serious how much you can make on it. Yes, I'm serious about it. If you take it serious, you will make a lot of money with this. Yes, don't take it as a joke. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do a like and subscribe, share the video for your friends, to for them to earn more. Yes, give me a thumbs up, press a notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. Yes, so guys, all you just need to do is just register and link your WhatsApp account with it. But mind you, don't use your main WhatsApp. Yes, don't use your main WhatsApp. Use another WhatsApp. If you don't know how to open two WhatsApp in one phone, just comment in the comment section. I will tell you how to register on WhatsApp with two account in one WhatsApp. Yes, or if you see I'm not replying you in time, just click the link in my bio, or click the link in the video description. The WhatsApp link, sorry, the Telegram link is the one you can chat me. So click it and send me the text. Don't send a long text message because I don't have time for that. Just short the story so that I will make a new video tutorial on how you will register on your WhatsApp with your phone number without missing the second one, without logging out on the one you have on your phone before. Yes guys, as you can see, people are making money on this. You see, standing 44M. You see, people are making massive money on this platform, guys. So if you are just serious about it, you can make a lot of money with this with due time. Yes, so guys, I'll drop the registration link in my video description. Once I drop it, if you are interested, you can use it and register and start making massive money. Yes, this is where you can bound your phone number with the account, your WhatsApp phone number account. You see this place arrow is pointing. On my previous video, there was a video I do and show you guys how you can bound it. Yes, if you don't know how to bound it, just check it in the video description. In the second video, you will see how to bound it, or just comment in the comment section. I will tell you how to bound it. So let's go to how you will register. Yes, let's go to how you register, guys. Registration is full. It's not something very hard. So guys, you click on this register. You see the name of the app is CashLink 5. Click on this register. Once you click on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. Please enter phone number or your email. Please enter password. Re-enter password. The first password you enter here is the one you enter here. This verification code, do not remove it. That's the invitation code that you use and gain a commission for your login. You see this verifying, make sure this verifying rotate all and reach. Let's see, let me show you how you use the verify, because if you don't verify, your account will not be registered. Yes, make sure you verified you are a human, because you know all this, there's AI robot, then too much, any small thing they will just think you are a robot. But so let's wait and see. Okay, you see verify, you just click on it. Once you click on it, it will show success. So once you show success, when you are finished putting the information, then you will now click register now. But me, I have an account. I'll just click on login. When you click on register, sometimes it will bring you like this, so you just put your login details. Yes, you just put your login details. Yeah, then you just log in. The name of the app is Cash Link 5. It's paying massively. Yes, I know, guys. I know what I'm saying this, and I know why I'm saying this, guys. If you take this seriously, you make a lot of money with it. I'll put the link in the description of the video. For if you are interested in registering, I'll put the link there. You see, this is their instruction on how to do withdrawal anytime with withdrawal easily. Once you reach the minimum payout amount, you can withdraw unlimited earning. The more you invite, the more you earn. Start now, invite friends, and earn real cash. Yes, you can join their Telegram community here, so that anytime they have a good legit update, you yourself you will know about it. Yes, you yourself you will know about it. When they have a legit update, they want to inform you people about something, or like for example, if they are having network issue, or they upgrade the platform, yeah, you just know it from there. That's the essence of having the Telegram community link. Yes, so guys, kindly do well, subscribe, press the notification button, so that anytime I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. Share the video for your friends. Click the link in the description of the video, register, and let's start making money together. One love.